In this video, let us see about how to realize the basic gates using universal gates. The basic gates are OR gate, AND gate and NOT gate. So these gates can be realized using universal gates which are NOR gate and NAND gate. What do you mean by universal gate? So any logic function can be implemented using universal gate. So that is why they are called universal gates. That is, you can build any basic gate using these two universal gates. So the universal gates, first one is NAND gate. So NAND means it is just opposite to AND gate. So here if you give A and B as input, your output will be A dot B the whole bar. If you see NOR gate, if A and B are input, the output will be A plus B the whole bar. Now in this video, using this NAND gate, we are going to build an inverter and OR gate. Similarly, using NOR gate, we will build these three gates. First, let us realize the logic gates using NAND logic. So this is the NAND gate. So we are going to build NOT gate, AND gate and OR gate. First, let us build a NOT gate. So NOT gate, we know whatever input we give, it should produce a inverted output. So if I give a 0, I should get 1 as output. Now we have only NAND gate. This has two terminals A, B. But for NOT gate, we need only one terminal. So let us short these two terminals. You take the NOT gate and short the input terminals and mark it as A. Now what will be the output here? So we know output of NAND gate is A dot B the whole bar. So here A dot A the whole bar. So what is A dot A? According to Boolean law, A dot A is nothing but it is equal to A. So your output is A bar. So building a NOT gate using NAND gate is very easy. So this is the realization of NOT gate using NAND gate. Next, we will build a AND gate. So AND gate, what is the output? A dot B. AB should be your output. You see here, but NAND gate usually gives A dot B, the whole bar will come. So somehow you have to make this one to this form. So A dot B, I can write it as A dot B, the bar, 2 bars, because double inversion means it is similar to AB. AB double bar is equal to AB. Now I have a NAND gate which gives a output of A dot B the whole bar. Now I need one more bar here. So to get a bar, another bar, what I have to do? I have to connect an inverter. So already we have seen how to make a NOT gate using NAND logic. So connect a NAND gate here. So short the input, so it will act as a NOT gate. So now your output will be, this is the input, you will get one more bar, so you will get this as output. So this is nothing but AND gate. Next we will take a OR gate. So OR gate output should be A plus B. So here again we have to bring to this form. Here it is dot product is there. So this plus sign should be removed and we have to bring a multiplication sign. So for that we can apply De Morgan's theorem. So for that you make C is equal to A double bar plus B double bar. So this you take the De Morgan's theorem. What is this? This is of the form A bar plus B bar. So instead of A we are having A bar and instead of B, B bar is here. So this can be written as A dot B the whole bar. So here instead of A we are having A bar and instead of B, B bar is there. So you will write A bar dot B bar the whole bar. Now what we saw is instead of A we have A bar and instead of B, B bar is there. So here for the NAND gate input is A bar. So I am putting an inverter here so that I will get A bar and instead of B I should have B bar. So connect an inverter here. So implement this inverter using NAND logic. So this and NAND gate you put an inverter here so that your output here will be A bar. Here again put an inverter or NOT gate. Here again you will get B bar. So A bar and B bar are the two inputs for the NAND gate. So if A bar and B bar are input, your output will be A bar dot B bar the whole bar, which is nothing but A plus B. So this is how you have to realize the OR gate using NAND logic. Next we will realize the logic gates using NOR logic. So NOR gate output is A plus B the whole bar. So again we have seen NOT gate means C is equal to whatever you give you should get complemented output. C is equal to A bar. So NOR gate same procedure, short the input terminals, your output will be A plus A the whole bar. A plus A is again A, so you will get A bar. So for both NAND and NOR logic, to get a NOT gate or inverter operation, just short the two terminals, input terminals. Next you have AND gate. So AND gate we have C is equal to A dot B, but what we need is plus symbol is required as well as a bar is required. So we can write, put double inversion for both the variables, apply the De Morgan's theorem. So here dot product is there, so this is second law. Here again we have instead of A bar is there, instead of B, B bar is there. So this will be equal to A bar plus B bar the whole bar. So now the input should be A bar and B bar. So connect an inverter A bar B bar here. So this is, if you give A here you will get A bar, if you give B you will get B bar, that you are giving to a NOR gate. So NOR gate output will be A plus B the whole bar. Next we will make a OR gate. So C is equal to A plus B is the OR gate output. So here we have C is equal to A plus B the whole bar. You have to add only one bar is required. So make double bar here. So the output of a single NOR gate will be C is equal to A plus B the whole bar, but you need two bars, so connect a inverter here. So you will get C is equal to A plus B. So thus you have implemented OR gate using NOR gate also. Let us summarize the things together. First, to implement NOR gate, using NAND logic, short the input terminal in both the cases. You will get inverted output. For AND gate implementation, this is NAND gate, just inversion of AND gate. So first you connect a NAND gate, then invert it. Use a inverter here. Whatever we have built here, you put an inverter here. So AB bar becomes AB here. But to implement AND gate using NOR gate, your input should be complemented form. So input, in both the input lines you connect a inverter, so you will get A bar B bar. So your output will be A dot B. For OR gate, just opposite. You can see some similarity here. First you see this NAND logic and this NOR gate, it will be similar. So input side you have to invert it. In this case, output you will connect an inverter. So when you are using NAND gate to make AND gate, output side you connect an inverter. Similarly, if you make a OR gate using NOR gate, just connect a inverter at the output side. If you like the video, do subscribe to Read Electric Vehicle channel. Thank you.